It feels like we're living in a world full of magic, doesn't it? I mean, think about your phone, your apps. It's like they just get you. But here's the thing. It's not actually magic. It's something way more interesting. No, seriously, just stop and think about it for a second. This stuff happens in all these tiny ways every single day, and most of the time, we don't even clock it.
Like, how does Google Maps somehow know there's a traffic jam up ahead before you do? And it just whips up the perfect detour right down to the minute. How on earth does it do that?
Or, okay, what about Netflix? You finish binging a series and bam! The very next thing it suggests is that show, the one you didn't even know you were looking for. It's kind of spooky, right?
And Amazon, it suggests that perfect, totally random gift for your friend, something you would never have stumbled on yourself. So what's the deal? Well, there's one single thread that ties all of these moments of, well, digital magic together.
So yeah, what is this secret ingredient? What's the engine humming away behind the scenes, powering all of these crazy smart predictive apps?
Well, it's this one idea that's so powerful, it has completely changed our world in just a few decades. And the answer? It's just one simple word. Data. That's the whole secret. It's all that raw information. Every click, every view, every location ping, every search. That's the fuel for this entire digital world we live in.
Okay, so knowing the word data is one thing, but how does it actually work? Let's peel back the curtain on those apps we were just talking about and see exactly how they use data to make everything feel so, well, seamless. All right, let's start with Google Maps. Think of it like a giant team project. When you have the app open, your phone is anonymously sharing your speed. Google takes that little piece of information and combines it with the same info from thousands of other drivers around you. And just like that, it can see a traffic jam forming in real time. So you see, you're not just using the map, you're actively helping to build it for everyone else on the road. Amazon does something really similar, but instead of traffic, it's tracking your taste. Every single time you click on a product, browse a category, or make a purchase, you're leaving behind a little breadcrumb, a data point. Its algorithm scoops all that up, looks at what millions of other people with similar tastes bought, and basically says, hey, people who love that book also went crazy for this one. It's literally using your past behavior to guess what you'll want next.
Now, Netflix. Netflix takes it to a whole other level. It's not just about what you watch, it's about how you watch it. Did you binge the whole season in one sitting? Did you rewind a specific scene? Did you give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down? Every little interaction feeds its massive recommendation engine. The whole goal is to make sure you find something you love, so you stay glued to the screen.
And this creates this really powerful feedback loop, especially on social media. Think about Instagram. Every like, every share, even just the amount of time you pause on a photo, you are literally training the algorithm. You're teaching it, hey, I like this stuff. And its only job, its entire purpose, is to take that data and show you more of what it thinks will keep you scrolling.
So when you step back and you look at all these different examples, Google, Amazon, Netflix, Instagram, a really clear picture starts to form. A great analogy, really. If our whole digital world is this massive, complex engine, then data is the fuel that makes it run.
Yeah, it's the fuel powering those real-time traffic predictions. It's the fuel driving those eerily accurate product recommendations. It's the fuel that tracks your engagement to build your perfect feed. And maybe most importantly, it is the fuel for all the innovation, the new tools and services we haven't even thought of yet.
Okay, so what? Why does any of this actually matter to you? Well, because this goes way beyond just how your apps work. This is about understanding the basic currency of the world we live in today.
And this is really the key takeaway here. In the past, economies ran on things like oil or gold. Today the most valuable resource on the planet is data. It's what informs huge business decisions. It's what shapes the media you consume. And it's what's driving incredible scientific breakthroughs. If you want to understand the modern world, you have to understand the power of data.
So, I want to leave you with this one thought. When you realize that every click, every like, every search is a little piece of fuel powering this whole digital world, it kind of changes things, doesn't it? You're not just a passive consumer of information anymore. You're an active creator of it. So the real question becomes, now that you know what the fuel is, what are you going to build with it?